back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 BMW 7 Series. When it comes to redefining luxury in the automotive world, BMW raises the bar yet again with the 2026 BMW 7 Series. This flagship sedan seamlessly combines timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology, delivering an experience that is as opulent as it is modern. From the outside, the 2026 BMW 7 Series nods to its heritage with a boxy yet elegant design. Step inside, however, and you'll find yourself immersed in the pinnacle of modern luxury. Whether it's the standard leather upholstery or the optional plush cashmere, every element inside the 7 Series exudes sophistication. The 2026 7 Series is packed with state-of-the-art features designed to elevate every journey. An 18-speaker Bowers & Wilkins audio system ensures crystal-clear sound. With a touch of a button, your doors close effortlessly. An optional 31-inch 8K resolution screen transforms the rear cabin into a mobile entertainment hub. Standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto complement the crystal-clear 14.9-inch touchscreen display. Air suspension. Enjoy a ride so smooth, it redefines luxury on wheels. For 2026, BMW enhances the driving and infotainment experience. Enhanced voice control. The latest iDrive system integrates seamlessly with Apple's Siri, eliminating the need for manual interaction. Highway assistant upgrades. This hands-free driving mode now suggests lane changes, which can be confirmed by a simple glance at the corresponding side view mirror. The interior of the 7 Series is a feast for the senses. Luxurious materials from rich-smelling leather to elegant stainless steel and wood trim, every inch speaks of craftsmanship. Optional cashmere upholstery for those seeking the ultimate in comfort and style. Luxury rear seating package. Features include power-adjustable reclining seats with massage, wireless charging for rear passengers, and adjustable neck cushions. With generous space for passengers and a thoughtfully designed trunk, the 7 Series is as practical as it is opulent. The 2026 BMW 7 Series offers 3 powerful and efficient engine options, ensuring a perfect match for every driver. 740i. A 375 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 with a 48-volt hybrid system. Rear-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is optional. 750e xDrive. A plug-in hybrid combining a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 with an electric motor for a total of 483 horsepower. 760i xDrive. A 536 horsepower twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 with standard all-wheel drive and a 48-volt hybrid system. With features like rear-wheel steering, adaptive dampers, and standard air suspension, the 7 Series delivers an unexpectedly agile driving experience while prioritizing comfort. The 2026 BMW 7 Series offers a range of trims to suit varying tastes and needs, starting at $97,575 and reaching up to $122,475 with top-tier options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.